future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe, man. Shout out to the entire shibArmy, man. We got another green day right now. Shiba Inu slowly consolidating, figuring out if we want to, head to the next level with the rest of the market or if things are going to start retracing. But I did a price prediction video showing what the next major resistance level of Shiba Inu is and where I expect us to go in the not too distant future. So let's take a look at this article. Shiba Inu forecasted to surge 300%. Here's when. Make sure y'all run those likes up. Again, if you're part of the shibArmy and you haven't subscribed to the family, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free. So Shiba Inu is currently trading at 12.75 and surged in price by nearly 40% in the last 30 days. SHIB is attracting heavy bullish sentiment in the indices as the token received an influx of new investments this week. The dog-themed token spiked in price after Bitcoin climbed above the 62,000 mark on Wednesday. Millions of Bitcoin profits also flowed into SHIB, making its price surge in the charts. Remember, I told y'all that we got to be patient because money was going to trickle down to Shiba Inu. And this is going to be a cycle again. As Bitcoin continues to rally, that money is going to continuously, make its way back down to the rest of the, top 10, top 20 crypto assets. So not all the time will they happen in order, but you're going to see a group start to rally. Then you're going to see the next group start to rally. And look at this wave. Shiba Inu is about in the third to fourth rally of coins we've started to see rally since this, market started to really pick up. So now that Shiba Inu remains in the green, a leading price prediction firm has painted a rosy picture for its prospects. In this article, we will provide a price prediction on how high SHIB could trade in the next 12 months. Let me know y'all price predictions in the comment section. I'm interested in what the AI price predictions are, also what the community's bullish sentiment is also. All this information you can use to decide, how confident is the overall crypto community when it comes to Shiba Inu. And that's important. That's an important factor to keep in mind. So Shiba Inu could surge by another 300%, claims prediction. The Finders panel of cryptocurrency experts predict that Shiba could rise another 300% from its current price level of 12.75. So right now they are well behind on what the price is because we're sitting at 22.75, unless that was a typo. According to Finders panel, SHIB could sustainably scale up in the charts to reach the 4.93 level in 2025. That's an uptick in return on investment of approximately 280% to 3,000% from its current price. So I'm happy that they're starting to put some respect on Shiba Inu's price targets, because just a few months ago, last year, we had a lot of these price predictions, barely expecting Shiba Inu to reach the 2,000 point per coin level. They were saying that was going to happen in like late 2024, 2025. And I was just, still confident saying, y'all obviously don't know the power of Shiba Inu. The community is still here. Remember, I'm here each and every day with the shibArmy. I'm reading the comments. I'm, keeping up with all the articles, the information around SHIB, so I can see what's going on the ground level. The people who are sitting on the sidelines saying, SHIB is done. It's like they are just, quickly attracted to the next big thing. But they have to remember there's going to be an influx of new people that come into the crypto space, and they are going to want to join OG communities and projects that have already gained a history. It's similar to what we've seen take place with Doge. Think about it. That initial, group of investors in 2013, when they invested in Doge. My bad, y'all. So when they invested in Doge and things began to flatline, that core community still was there. That core community never gave up. Even when people said, oh, it's just a joke. Oh, it can be, minted. It has an unlimited supply. The community didn't care. And the markets can be irrational sometimes. Just because the fundamentals don't align, that doesn't, meme coins don't play by that rule. Sometimes they do, they are bound to it to a certain extent, but if the community is so bullish, we can see things that aren't technically, sound or fundamentally sound taking place with Shiba Inu and other meme coins. So these new people coming into crypto, they're going to join the shibArmy. see all the content that's out there, see the community, see how bullish it is, and want to join it. And then we're going to have a similar situation of what happened with Doge. So you're hearing me say this, I predict we haven't even seen our, when the masses started to flow to Doge in like 2020, 2021, at that time, people were still saying Doge would never hit 1 cent. That's the reality of it. I remember being in that time. And, right now, we got different levels that people say Shiba Inu will never reach. We all don't know what will happen, If the overall crypto market continues to grow, I definitely believe Shiba Inu will be, one of those coins, if not a top 10 coin, at a certain period of time. I'm that bullish on Shiba Inu, y'all. So, it says, finders expect the Shiba Inu's value to ascend this year to be worth the 49.30 level to close out 2025. Therefore, an investment of $5,000 made today could turn into $20,000 if the prediction turns out to be accurate. While these are not life-changing gains, the profits are handsome and decent. Also, the Finders panel explained that Shiba Inu will not replicate its 2021 bull run anymore, but can only move in tandem with the cryptocurrency market. It's unlikely to roar as it did in 2021, although it can ride the future waves of the crypto market, said Alexander K. Now, he's right about that. SHIB all-time high, I believe, surged 21 million %. I don't think that's going to happen again at this time, but we will see some type of rally. That's what I'm expecting. Think about it. Doge, had some moments where it began to rally, but it didn't completely, go crazy until the overall crypto market hit its all-time high. I believe Shiba Inu is going to get caught in one of those rallies as well. So it says, however, there is no guarantee that SHIB could spike by another 300% from its current price. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and cuts both ways, delivering severe losses to investors. It is advised to do thorough research before taking an entry position into Shiba Inu currently. So definitely you want to always remember to dollar cost average, into your positions. Don't just, try to hit a home run all the time. Unless it's maybe a meme coin, a short-term play. For the short-term people, it's a little different. But long-term investors, you want to take advantage of those price pullbacks. So right now we got the overall crypto market cap sitting at 2.39 trillion. This is an not all-time high, but like a recent all-time high since our last, since we've been out of the bear market. So Bitcoin right now, 63,000. Fear and greed index still at an 86. Surprisingly, it hasn't moved. Normally that needle will fluctuate, especially seeing Bitcoin up at these price levels. I would expect it to either continue to go up or, the overall market to just start to, pull back. But that's showing the strength of how the buyers are, holding this level. People are interested at these price levels. So, it could potentially become a floor, or it could just be a prolonged, trap, basically to get more people to hold money at a certain level. And then, the overall markets might rally a little bit as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving. We're now it says 50 days away. That's crazy. Yesterday just was 49 days. But as we get closer to the halving and people become more and more bullish, we might see, buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation where the prices starts to rally, and then we get a nice pullback after that point. But who knows though, because we do got Bitcoin ETFs now with institutional money in Bitcoin, so we could just be creating a whole new floor. So Ethereum at 3,479. 3,479. We got BNB at $415. We got Solana at $129. We got XRP at 63 cents. We got Cardano at 74 cents. Doge at 15 cents. AVAX at $42.49. Shiba Inu at 4 zeros, 23.35, up 5.6% on the day. So Shiba Inu and Doge green, really green. So with Doge being up 12% to 15 cent right now, which is pretty much a high we've been seeing for Doge as of late, Shiba Inu is likely to receive sympathy, which we see it happening. We're up almost 6%, but I'm expecting to see a bigger rally to come through for Shiba Inu, especially as people get more and more confident. Look, we just flipped to 4 zeros, 2,300 points per coin, y'all. Shiba Inu is moving. Shiba Inu is really moving. The market's on fire. Take a look at that. Let's go to Trading View. Take a look at that. We could be creating that second wave. Now, one thing that I'm not impressed by is the volume. The volume is tapering off while the price is pulling back. The volume is tapering off while the price is going up. And usually that shows there's not a lot of momentum behind the buyers that are pushing the needle right now. But I'm seeing 3,000 points per coin, y'all, coming real soon. Like I said, we might have to fight a little bit around that 2,600 points per coin level, because if we look left in the chart, we look at the history of the chart, we can see that's where we had a little trouble. You can see in this range here, it got a little choppy. So that's around, 2,500 points per coin, give or take a little bit. But if we can break above that area, hold it, 3,000 points per coin right there. That's all we got for this video, man. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Tap in if you want to get access to my Discord, my private paid Discord/Telegram. We got a couple plays we just called that are up in the green nicely today. Those plays are more short-term, plays. You could hold it if you decide to, depending on your confidence on the project. But yeah, tap in via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Also, if you're interested in getting my technical analysis course, if you're somebody watching this right now and you're looking at this chart and you don't understand what any of this means, you don't understand how to read the candlesticks, you don't know the tools, the indicators, any of that information, tap in and get my course, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.